Hey boys, girls, here's the answers for the work from Monday, the work from Monday. Sorry. Um, Here we go. So the first one, find the circumference of the circle given that the diameter is 40 centimeters. So here we go. To find the circumference, formula is circumference equals pi times diameter. So we're doing circumference equals 3.14 times diameter is 40. So there's my problem right there, 3.14 times 40. So here we go. So 3.14 times 40, and we get 125.6. That's C. Moving on, to find the area of the circle. To find the area of the circle, we're going to use this formula. Area equals pi times radius squared. So let's fill in what we know. The area is equal to 3.14 times the radius squared. The radius is 14, and we have to do 14 squared. All right, so area is equal to 3.14 times 14 squared is 196. So it's 196. So area is equal to 3.14 times 196. So that's going to be 3.14 times 196 equals 615.44. So 615.44 meters squared. Next one, find the circumference of the circle. Again, the formula we use, circumference equals pi times diameter. We could use 2 pi r, but I like this one better, just it's one less thing to do, I suppose. But circumference equals 3.14, and this is where we got to be really careful, because it doesn't give you the diameter, it gives you the radius here. You have to recognize that the diameter is 2 times the radius, so that means this is also 7 inches, so that means the diameter is 14 inches. So I'm doing 3.14 times 14. So 3.14 times 14, 3.14 times 14 is going to be 43.96. That's B. Moving on. The diameter of a circle is 63 centimeters. Find its circumference. Again, same type of question. Circumference equals pi times the diameter. So let's fill in what we know. 3.14 times the diameter is 63. So 3.14 times 63. 3.14 times 63 equals 197.82. That's choice C. Find the area of the circle. All right, so the area of the circle, we're going to use area equals pi r squared. So area is equal to 3.14 times the radius squared. So the radius here, so the diameter is 63. So half of 63 would be 31.5. Would be 31.5. So now I got to do, 31.5 squared. So area is equal to 3.14 times 31.5 squared, which is going to be this. So 31.5 times 31.5 is going to give us 992.25. 992.25. So now we just have to multiply them together, and let's see what we get. Times 3.14 is going to equal, so it's rendering to the nearest hundredth. So 3,115. The 6 is in the second 6 is in the hundredth place. The 5 next to it tells me that 6 has to become a 7. So 3115.67. 3115.67. All right, moving on. So find the diameter. Well, the radius is 8, and the radius is always half the diameter, or the diameter is double the radius, however you want to look at it. So if the radius is 8, that means the diameter has to be 16. Now let's find the circumference. So the circumference is going to be, again, the formula is going to be circumference equals pi times the diameter. So circumference is equal to 3.14 times 16. The circumference equals, I think it's 50.24. So 3.14 times 16, 50.24. Perfect. The radius of the circle is 9. Find the circumference of the circle shown. So we'll find the circumference. So circumference. Circumference equals pi times diameter. So circumference equals 3.14 times 18. Hopefully we understand where I got that 18 from. Because if the radius is 9, then the full diameter has to be 18. So circumference equals 3.14 times 18. So 3.14 times 18 is 56.52. Oh, so, answer in terms of pi. So, okay, so let's go back to that. So, all right, I should have given you this question. Uh-oh. All right, so listen. So, formula, circumference equals pi times diameter. So the circumference equals, it wants the answer in terms of pi. So in other words, we're going to keep pi. So, all right, so the answer here is just going to be 18 times pi. So to find the answer, I'm going to do the pi times diameter. The diameter is going to be 18, so 18 times pi gives me the answer. So that's how it wants the answer. 18, so it wants it as 18, 18 pi. I shouldn't have given you that one. We'll have to go over more like that. All right. What is the length of the radius? So the diameter of a circle is 20. The radius has to be 10 because again the radius is half the diameter. Find the area of the circle with a radius of 6. So if the radius is 6 centimeters, area equals pi r squared. So plug in what we know. Area equals 3.14 times 6 squared because again the radius is 6. So that boils down to 3.14 times 36 because I'm doing the 6 squared. And the area equals 3.14 times 36. So 3.14 times 36, which equals 113.04. So 113.04. So find the area of the circle with a diameter of 5 centimeters. So we're just going to switch this to, so area equals pi r squared. Again, let's just say that the diameter is 5. So area equals 3.14 times 2.5 squared. So again, the diameter is 5 centimeters. That means the radius is half of 5. So that means the radius is 2.5. So we're going to do 2.5 times 2.5, which is 6.25. I feel like I knew that, but so that's going to be area is equal to 3.14 times 6.25. So now just do that part and you're all set. So here we go. Times 3.14 is going to be equal to 19.625. So that's choice B. Alright, let's consider this circle with a radius of 4 centimeters given below. Select the value of the circumference of the circle. So, we're finding the circumference of a circle. So, circumference equals pi times diameter. Don't forget, I can use circumference equals 2 pi r. If I want to, it's the same thing. Remember, because 2 times r represents whatever the diameter is. So it's the same formula, just written differently. So let's use this one down here for the last one. So the radius is 4, so I have circumference equals 2 times 3.14 times the radius, which is 4. So I just have to do this problem. So 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 2. So I'm sorry, so 2 times 4 is 8, so I'm left with 8 times 3.14. So the circumference is equal to 24.56, I think. So 3.14 times 8, 25.12, my bad. It's 25.12. Submit. Answers. Sweet. Hey, listen, guys, if I went too fast, if you're not sure of how something's done, please just email me and I'll try to get back to you and figure it out, whether it's another video or just through email. But just let me know if something just doesn't make sense, all right? Have a good one.